What if the one thing standing between you and better energy, clearer skin, and a healthier weight, is an organ you almost never think about? Your liver. And today, on World Liver Day, April 19th, I'm sharing simple, doctor-backed habits to keep it strong. Why your liver matters. Your liver is your body's main filter. It processes what you eat and drink, helps control blood sugar, and makes bile to digest fats. When your liver is happy, you feel better. When it's stressed, you can feel tired, bloated, and stuck. April 19th is World Liver Day, a global reminder to protect this hard-working organ. So let's make it easy. What to eat, what to skip, and the everyday habits that actually move the needle. The golden rule: eat, think, natural, mostly uncooked, and not too much. A hepatologist, liver specialist, shared this simple framework: fill only a quarter to half your stomach with food. Leave space for air, and maybe a little water. Why? Overfilling your plate means your liver has to work overtime. You end up bloated, burping, and feeling heavy. A lighter, balanced plate helps your liver make thinner, healthier bile, exactly what it prefers. This isn't about perfection. It's about giving your liver room to breathe. The plate method, simplified: 1/4 protein, eggs, fish, beans, lentils, tofu. 1/4 smart carbs, millets, brown rice, oats, whole grains. 1/2 colorful veggies and some fruit. Sip water, don't flood your meal. This isn't about perfection. It's about giving your liver room to breathe. What to eat more: you don't need fancy superfoods. You need simple, everyday choices your liver loves. Go natural. Aim for at least 60% of your food to be uncooked or minimally processed. Think fresh veggies, fruits, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. It's cheap, crunchy, and surprisingly liver-friendly. Millets. Low glycemic index means steadier blood sugar and less fat storage in the liver. Think jowar, bajra, ragi, or in the US, quinoa, barley, and oats work too. Black chickpeas, kala chana, high fiber, slow digesting carbs, great for snacking. Walnuts, rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that support liver repair. Turmeric, haldi, a gentle anti-inflammatory spice that pairs well with almost anything. Coffee, filtered or instant, up to 3 cups a day, without sugar, is linked to better liver health. Spices and ghee? You don't need to fear them. Your liver can handle heat and healthy fats, as long as you're not overdoing portions and you are actually digesting your meals. What to avoid? Small changes here can make a big difference. No sugar-free sweeteners, 0-calorie drinks and artificial sweeteners may sound safe, but experts warn they can be harmful long-term. If you need sweetness, a little real sugar or jaggery is better than fake, zero, deep-fried foods. Occasional is okay. Daily is not. Fried foods add unhealthy fats and calories that stress your liver. Don't snack between meals, eat at regular times. Constant grazing keeps your liver in process mode all day. Sugary drinks and syrups, soda, energy drinks, and anything with high fructose corn syrup are major offenders. One glass of cola can be around 200 calories. To burn that off, you'd need to run for about an hour. The fructose trap. Here's the truth. Fruit sugar, fructose, in whole fruit is better than soda, but it still adds up. Very sweet fruits can raise your total fructose load, which may contribute to weight gain and fatty liver over time. Think of it this way: whole fruit equals fiber plus nutrients plus slower sugar release, better. Soda, juice, syrup equals fast sugar hit, no fiber, more liver stress, worse. One eye-opening stat: in the US, some estimates suggest an average child could consume around 24 kilograms, about 53 pounds, of fructose per year, mostly from soft drinks and processed foods. That's a lot for a small liver to handle. You don't need to quit fruit. Just choose less sweet options more often: berries, apples, citrus, watch portions, and skip the sugary drinks. Smart snacking ideas: it's normal to get hungry between meals. The goal is to choose snacks that don't spike your blood sugar or flood your liver with sugar and bad fats. Great options: roasted black chickpeas, kala chana, with a pinch of salt and lemon. A small handful of walnuts or almonds. Sliced radish or cucumber with a little turmeric and lime. Plain yogurt with a few berries. Hard-boiled eggs or a small cheese stick. Avoid packaged chips, cookies, and healthy bars loaded with syrups. Processed, deep-fried snacks. Sugary drinks, even diet ones. Myth versus fact. Myth: sugar-free means liver safe. Fact: many sugar-free sweeteners aren't great for long-term liver health. Real food beats fake. 0. Myth: I can drink soda if I work out. Fact: one soda can take an hour of running to burn off, and that's just the calories, not the sugar load on your liver. Myth: spicy food and ghee are bad for the liver. Fact: spices and moderate healthy fats are fine if your overall diet is balanced and you're not overeating. Myth: detox teas will clean my liver. Fact: your liver detoxes itself. Focus on steady habits: whole foods, less sugar, movement, sleep. A simple day breakfast: oatmeal with walnuts, cinnamon, and a few berries. Black coffee or green tea, no sugar. Lunch: big salad, leafy greens, radish slices, chickpeas, or grilled chicken. Quinoa or brown rice on the side. Olive oil plus lemon dressing. Snack, if needed, roasted black chickpeas or a small apple with a few almonds. Dinner, baked salmon or tofu. Steamed broccoli and carrots. Small portion of millet or sweet potato. Drinks, water, sparkling water with lime, black coffee, or unsweetened tea. Skip soda and sugary juices. 3 daily habits. 1. Eat mostly natural, minimally processed foods. Fill half your plate with veggies, a quarter with protein, a quarter with smart carbs. Keep portions modest so you are not stuffed. 2. Cut sugary drinks and artificial sweeteners. Choose water, coffee, or tea. If you crave flavor, add lemon, mint, or a splash of 100% fruit juice to sparkling water. 3. Move your body most days. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity per week, brisk walks count. Movement helps your liver process fat and sugar more efficiently. Bonus: sleep 7 to 8 hours, limit alcohol, and get regular checkups if you have risk factors like diabetes, high cholesterol, or a family history of liver disease. Quick recap: eat natural, mostly uncooked foods, veggies, fruits, millets, whole grains, nuts, legumes. Keep portions moderate, fill only 1/4 to 1/2 your stomach with food. Avoid sugar-free sweeteners, deep-fried foods, and constant snacking. Ditch sugary drinks and high fructose corn syrup. One soda can be approximately 200 calories, about an hour of running to burn off. Choose smart snacks, black chickpeas, walnuts, radish, yogurt, eggs. Move daily, sleep well, and limit alcohol. One takeaway: your liver doesn't need a detox. It needs daily respect, real food, smaller portions, fewer sugary drinks, and steady movement. If this helped, tap like, subscribe for more simple, science-backed health tips, and share this with someone who needs a liver-friendly reset. Your future self will thank you.
Thanks for watching Vitality Health Works. Small, science-backed habits build lasting health. Start today. If this helped, like and subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.